Hello, everyone. I'm Rob from the Smith in the Black channel. Here, Ticker Talker. And if it's Tuesday, it's the Strat Attack Show where we get into the urban assault vehicle and see what's going on. So, second week of the month. So we finally uncouple, and what that means is we finally have a separate opening for the month, the week, the day, and the 60. Unfortunately, we got not much going on here. Spy, look at this month. Horrible, right? So you got that, and then you go to the week. Horrible, right? So not much going on in SPY. QQQ here on the week pokes up a tad, but anytime you get to break out the microscope to see what's going on, still inside month, probably nothing going on. You go to the diamonds here, but a little bit better is the small caps here. You can see Rev Strat month inside, poke down, boom. Trying to go to the highs, stop these guys out. So small cappers leading the charge a little bit as far as the broader averages, or should I say definitely doing it, but still not really long green as we like, but starting to come up still. So obviously we've been staying on a lot of the meme stocks. You've got GameStop earnings coming out tomorrow, so we'll see what comes of that. And obviously nice big ranges to go after, and if you go to like a 30, you can see here, even if you missed the upside, 2-2 back down, and that was a nice move from like 320 down to like almost 280 or whatever. That's pretty good. And BB, so we're still watching all these kind of things, and that was a nice reversal on the 30 back down, and we'll see with AMC and all that kind of stuff. They were pushing Wish today, and that was real nice. If you can go here on the weekly, see this inside week, boom, off she goes. Been a lot higher, so maybe we get some more squeeze box out of these guys tomorrow. And that was a real nice inside 60 today off of this here. Boom. All right, so we'll see if anything more comes of that. If we go to Yelp, oops. If we go to Yelp, and Yelp, this also had a nice inside 60 here. And Yelp doing this on the month, the Rev Strat month. Still got some more room on that. Inside, down, now looking to take all these guys out. Going to keep an eye on Yelp after today. Had a real nice day. It's also inside week and up to cause that. That's the kind of combination you look for. Inside week, Rev Strat month, boom, off she goes. Speaking of Rev Strat monthers, we've got IBB, which got juiced by BIIB yesterday here. And not doing too much on it, takes it out. But you do have ALNY here working on that Rev Strat 122 and ILMN. So you can keep an eye on those if the bios start to pick up a bit. If we go to F5, F5 also trying to work. I think this is Rev Strat, right? Nope, not quite. But you got trying to go 2-2 back up off of this. So we'll see how that goes over 188.35. If we go to, and if there's anything discernible, really, the REITs, monthly Momo Hammer, and that gives you like PSA doing it, EXR. You can always watch like SPG and ABV2 and all that kind of stuff. All these REITs starting to come up. EQIX, we've known about this one for a while and may as well just take out the highs, right? Because we noticed it because of this outside month, then 2 down. So when this went up over 688.45, we're looking to at least take this out. And now that we're nice and green, may as well take this out. 836.40, why not? If we go to SKLZ, more meme stuff, nice inside month to the upside and still walking up. We'll see what more comes of that. In the energy, watching the FANG here, on the inside month and up. Hits the magnitude, but you obviously can watch that with the XLE because we had crude doing this today. Crude goes outside day to the upside, and so we'll see if anything comes of that. XLE trying to come up on that. I think XOP was outside day. Yeah, so we'll see. You can obviously follow the energies with that. If we go to MVIS, more meme stuff, and inside day today, and inside month and up. So for them apes, we'll see if anything comes of that. If we go to FSLY, FSLY still inside month, but would be Rev Strat month if you can take this out. Up here above 63.99. You got some distance on that, but you got this on the week, the inside week, and still walking up this. And so the hopes is it was down, sideways, measured move exhaustion, and now come right back up and have this be middle of the try and keep it coming, FSLY. If we go to space, more apes, inside week to the upside, which triggers this. The month, the 3-2 month coming back up, so we'll see how that goes. Go to GoPro. GoPro, Rev Strat month, inside, pokes down, boom, and here she comes. Got some more room on that. We know this thing's been a lot higher in the past. If we go to Beyond the Meat, and Beyond the Meat, weekly, inside week. So coming up here, we just want to see if this monthly can start coming up through here and get them going. If we go to DraftKings, got some more distance to come up and take out that month, but you do have your inside week to the upside after this is exactly what we look for, the 2 down, the inside, the reversal, and then you can add on the continuation for the measured move, you see. If we go to Root, and there's another memer stock. They got some short interest in there, so it used to be somebody, so we can watch that with the rest of all that fun. Today we had the SMH do this. Still an inside week, but you have this, the outside day, the downside that stayed down. So we want to see if anything more comes of that. For the inside days, you'll have NVIDIA and AVGO to kind of gauge what they're going to do. Because we've got MU already taking out last week's lows here, coming back through this. NXPI does it too. So we'll see how those play out. Another discernible thing that we've seen is the monthly healthcares, 2-2 reversal in Humana. UNH tick down but then doesn't go. But now you got an inside day to see how that works out, because you also have Cigna doing that. Johnny John here just slightly poking down, so I want to see if anything more comes of that. With the IBB stuff, UTHR discernibly going the other way, like so. You inside month, nope, but just coming back into that gap, but you can see the difference there. If we go to PKG, you got the 2-2 reversal month, 2 up, 2 down. If we go to JB Hunt Trucker, and JB Hunt's crying because it's a 2-2 down on the month on 167.20. If we go to Danaher, and Danaher, DHR, just 2-2. That was a 2 up, coming back through previous range. We go to ZBH. That's inside month and down, coming back through previous range. Kimberly Clark taking out an inside month. See, that tells us if we can watch with XLP, because we want to see if we can get this down sideways and get another down move, go after this thing, but we'll see. If we go to Medtronics, also inside month to the downside. Disca, oh boy, still brutal, and Disca just keeps puking. And now inside week to the downside again, and you can see how they got them here. Triangulate out, and then boom, back into the lows. If we go to DoorDash, inside week to the downside, very slightly. Clorox is too with the XLP, but a lot of these things very slightly. And Coinbase still melting on an inside week to the downside, but really staying on a lot of these stories. Looks like Wish is still going right now. Root might be still going right now. So staying on those story stocks, because a lot of times people get caught up in looking for the continuity and the signals. And you know, ideally we want to have nice long red and green bars, and we don't have a lot of that just yet. So that's going to do it for today. I'm Ross with the Smith Black Channel here, Ticker Talker, Strat Attack.